or smaller, still move it around. And if I want to do a reflection of it, maybe it's facing the wrong way, I can click this little icon here to make that change. But for right now, I already got 2 browsers on and 2 cameras, so I'm going to turn that off. The tools that you can use while you're doing your recording. Down here at the bottom, you'll see at the lower left, you'll see as I hover over, this top dialog pops up. And the first thing there to the left is your mouse. So when I click mouse, the focus mouse, that turns everything else on the screen gray, and it highlights everything or everywhere that the mouse is pointing. So if I tell you, if I wanted my readers or my listeners to focus in on what I'm doing, okay, so I want you to click on File. So File is in the mouse range. I'll click that, and then I'd say go down and make a copy. So that works really well for that. So I'm going to shake this one out. I'm going to go back down there, unclick that one, and then I'm going to go over to highlight clicks. And what that does, it simply turns on, and every time I click the mouse, it turns it red to let people know that I just made a click. So if I say click new, I click it, lets you know I clicked there. If I say presentation, it'll click. So that highlights whatever's on that mouse on my internet tab. So that's the second use. You'll notice the pen next to it. The pen is real simple in that when I click that, I can choose a color, and this gives you a spectrum of colors there, which are pretty nice, instead of having to choose 1 or 2. And so I'm going to take the color, and I'm just going to write on my screen, point stuff out. If I wanted to draw a face, I could do that. And of course, if I can write it, I can also erase it. So I'll click the tool next to it, the eraser. And with the eraser on the mouse, I can erase little bitty pieces that I may have messed up. Or if I go back over to the mouse and scroll back over to the eraser, this will clear everything that I've drawn on the screen with this pen. So that clears all my annotations there. Next, what I want to do is I'm going to turn my webcam back on because I missed myself. So I'm turning me back on. There I am. Again, I can move him back over here. I can shrink whatever I need to do, put that back. That's good. And so let's just say I've done all my recording. I'm done. I'm tired of talking. I'm going to close this out. So what I'll do is I'll exit out of here. I'll go up to the